Hello friends. Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro, where we bring you the latest in smartphones, gadgets, and tech news. Today we have something truly exciting, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra, Samsung's flagship for 2026. This phone is packed with a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, 16GB of RAM, and an amazing 200 megapixels rear camera, making it one of the most powerful devices in the market. Let's dive right into the unboxing and see what this beast has to offer. Starting with the unboxing, the Galaxy S27 Ultra comes in a sleek, premium box, inside which you'll find the phone, the S Pen, a charging cable, and all necessary documentation. Holding the device for the first time, you immediately notice its premium build and futuristic design. The metallic frame, curved edges, and sleek back panel feel luxurious and well-crafted. The S Pen is highly responsive and perfect for note-taking, sketches, and even controlling the phone with gestures, adding a layer of productivity and creativity for users who like to do more on their smartphones. Moving on to the camera, the Galaxy S27 Ultra features a quad camera setup with a 200 megapixels main sensor, capable of capturing ultra-detailed photos, shooting 8K videos, and performing exceptionally well in low-light conditions. The front camera is equally impressive, offering crystal-clear selfies, AI beauty enhancements, and 4K video recording, making it perfect for content creators who demand high quality. When it comes to performance, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 combined with 16GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking, ultra-fast gaming, and flawless app performance. You can run heavy apps, edit videos, or play graphics-intensive games without any lag. The 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED display is vibrant, supports HDR10+, and comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a smooth and immersive viewing experience. Battery life is strong with a 5500 mAh battery, supporting fast charging and wireless charging to keep you going all day. Additional features include dual SIM support, an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and all necessary ports. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra is a complete flagship device that excels in performance, design, and camera quality, making it a top choice for anyone looking for the ultimate smartphone experience in 2026. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more unboxings, first looks, and tech reviews.